See, I do good flames, don't I? Oh, you peeled the paint off.
I did not peel the paint off.
You did, look. There it is, evidence.
Yeah, well, adds to the patina.
Adds to the patina. We got patina flames on a patina 55.
I think I'm going to have to start that way. How about you stop filming, and when I get to the green...
You wanted me to film. I'm filming now.
You're going to run out of SD room by the time I've done this.
It's only 2 minutes. See? Flame, a blue shitty flame.
Oh,
surrounded by a yellow shitty flame.
Flames.
There's shit.
Shane loved the flames so much he thought he'd add another layer of flamage.
Proper flames that look decent. Actually look like proper flames. There.
Well, that's like probably 70s flames there.
70s?
Yeah, I don't know. How long do you reckon those flames have been on it for?
Well, how long's a piece of string? Probably they were done before I was born. I don't know.
See? So 60s flames. My flames were big in the 60s, weren't they?
Yeah.
They were? It's definitely before I was born. Right.
Yep.
How cool is that?
So the pool.
Are you filming the ground?
No.
Are you sure? For someone who hates flames, to put an extra layer on.
I don't hate flames. I hate shit flames. These are shit flames. These are good flames.
Oh, only because you did them.
Yep, that's right.
They look like they're made from shit. Don't swear on camera.
See? They look good.
It's very satisfying peeling off tape.
Is it?
It is.
Did you're easily amused?
Well, I did marry you, didn't I?
Oh.
You left yourself open for that one.
There we go.
Flames done the old school way.
You can peel it off there, it's where it's hanging.
Careful, eh? Careful.
Carefully, stretch it back.
Oh, what'd you do there? It's your tapey bit, not my tapey bit.
Oh yeah.
My tapey bit's only the inside. Flameage.
Well, there it is.
Okay.
Flames within flames.
Okay, I'm admitting it. You do make some sexy flames.
I'll see. I make nice flames. But now we've got to make them look shit, like the other ones.
We've got to make them look old, like you.
Oh.